Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp. This integration allows you to seamlessly use your Canva designs directly in your email campaigns, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to the Mailchimp website at mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to set up this integration, as this will be where all your Canva designs become accessible. After logging in, look at the left menu bar and click on Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and apps you can connect with Mailchimp to enhance your email marketing capabilities. It's essentially your hub for expanding what Mailchimp can do for you. In the integrations page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Canva into this search bar to filter through the available integrations. This makes it quick and easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through dozens of options. From the search results, click on Canva. This will take you directly to the overview page for the Canva integration. Take a moment to scroll down and read through all the product features and pricing details. Understanding what the integration offers will help you make the most of it once it's set up. Once you've reviewed everything, locate and click the Connect button on the Canva integration page. This button initiates the linking process between your Mailchimp and Canva accounts. A pop-up window will appear with connection steps outlined for you. Review these steps to understand what's about to happen, then click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Canva email address. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can create one at this stage. Once you've entered your email, click Continue. This step verifies your Canva account and prepares the connection. Now enter your Canva password in the field provided and click Login. This authenticates your access and confirms that you're the authorized user of the Canva account you're connecting. Finally, you'll see a screen displaying the data connection permissions. This shows you what information Mailchimp will be able to access from your Canva account, such as your designs and templates. Review these permissions carefully, and when you're ready, click Allow. This finalizes the integration and links your accounts together, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Canva with Mailchimp. You can now access and use your Canva designs directly within your Mailchimp campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.